In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style buttons on Squarespace. First, sign in to your Squarespace account and head to your site's dashboard. From the main navigation, click Website to open your site's settings and editing tools. This brings you to the place where design changes apply across your pages, so anything we set up here will stay consistent throughout your site. Open any page so you're looking at it in the editor, then click the paintbrush icon to open the Site Styles panel. This is the control center for your site's typography, colors, and component styles, including buttons. Keeping your edits here ensures your design stays unified and easy to maintain. Inside Site Styles, choose Buttons. You'll see options for your primary, secondary, and tertiary buttons. Think of primary as your main call to action, the one you really want people to click. Secondary supports it for alternative actions, and tertiary is the most subtle, great for less prominent links. Establishing these roles helps visitors scan and act quickly. Now adjust the overall look. Pick a button style like solid, outline, or raised. Solid tends to be the most attention-grabbing, outline is more understated, and raised adds a bit of depth. Choose the shape that matches your brand's feel. Square for crisp edges, rounded for a softer look, or pill for a modern, friendly vibe. Set the font to match your site's typography so everything feels cohesive. And pick a size that's easy to tap on mobile while still fitting comfortably in your layouts. Aim for generous padding and clear legibility. You want people to recognize a button at a glance. Next, still in the Site Styles panel, click Colors. You'll see your active color theme. Click the pencil icon next to your current theme to open its color settings. This is where you fine-tune how buttons appear in different sections of your site. Scroll down to the Buttons section. Here, customize the background color and text color for each button type, primary, secondary, and tertiary. Prioritize contrast so text stays readable against the background. A strong brand-aligned color for primary buttons helps them stand out, while secondary and tertiary can be more muted but still clear. Preview as you go and check a light and dark section to make sure your choices work across your pages. That's it. By setting styles in the buttons area and matching colors in your theme, your calls to action will look polished, consistent, and on brand across your entire Squarespace site.